Hi, welcome to a SolidWorks 2017 video tutorial. Now the Airblade with sweep in SolidWorks. Very easy to do again. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. I will need 3 sketches. So the first sketch, maybe on the front plane. This might be a line, and the length could be, for example, 260. I'll leave that sketch. I want a new sketch, again on the front plane. This will be just another line, and this might be 50 in length. I'll leave that sketch. Now I could go for my sweep. A swept surface here, that's the profile, yes, and the path should be this one. Now go for the options, go for a twist, and the twist might be 45 degrees. And confirm. You could go for more, of course. Then next sketch again on the front plane. And I will need a spline. So let's go for a spline. Up over here, and this should be in the center then. Okay, I could try to snap, but that will or might not work, so just draw it like this. I need a symmetry line. So I could try to go for some sort of center here. Oh, there. Okay. This should be for construction only. And I want to use this as symmetry line. So, select a point, select another point, select a line, go for symmetric. Point, point, line. Didn't work. Point, point, line, symmetric, point, point, line, symmetric, point, point, line. So again, point, point, line, symmetric, and this point might be on this line coincident. Nice. Let's move this a little bit down if possible. Maybe like that. Looks okay. Of course, you could go for 0 distance here. Let's move this a little bit, that a little bit, and this one as well, maybe like that. That's okay, leave that sketch. Now I want to make a revolve. So go for revolve. With this sketch. No, that's not. First I need the axis rotation. And then let's check the angle. I would go for 2 directions, or maybe only for one. And that might be in one direction, maybe 10. Let's take a look. And the other direction maybe 100. That's okay. Confirm. Now trim. That should be here, yes. The surface revolve is already selected. That's the trim tool, yes, and I want to remove that selected area. Confirm. Now hide the revolve and I want to go for a pattern. So let's take a look. Features linear pattern, not but a circular pattern, and I want to pattern it around this axis. 2 instances, 360 degrees, and I want to pattern a body, this body. And okay. Now let's stitch or knit those together once, twice. Merge entities, that's the trim, that's the pattern, yes, confirm. That's somehow, yeah. Now thicken that surface, maybe 1 millimeter, confirm, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.